We're looking at a rear differential and hydraulic pump drive assembly off a late 8R John Deere. I'll place a full list of models used on in the video description below. There's several options that you can choose from when you need parts off this. We can sell the assembly to you whole if you've got a big mess and you're running short on time. A lot easier to bolt up and move on, get everything going. We can sell you guys just the differential assembly. Also just the hydraulic pump drive assembly. We can sell you just the differential itself. Or we can break down to the individual components that we normally have sitting on the shelves, which would be your hydraulic pump drive, the PTO clutch, the differential, so on and so forth. For more information on this assembly, or if you have any questions, please visit our website, boothilltractorparts.com.